Ever thought of creating great quality stories through captivating animations and probably time, money, or software knowledge became a hurdle? Well, not anymore. Today, I am going to show you how to create great quality animations without having to learn any technical skills or by spending a huge amount of money on multiple courses. And the best part is, you can also earn money from YouTube by uploading these videos on YouTube and other sources. Today, I will show you an amazing AI tool called Autodraft AI. It is basically your Canva for 2D animations. All you need is a good script and the rest, everything will be done by this tool and your creativity. Let us check out the tools and what they have to offer. Here you can generate voiceovers, consistent style background, text to animated characters. No need for rigging, and they also provide a sleek editor to compile, customize and export in 4K quality. The very important aspect of animation is the voiceover. If your voiceovers feel robotic, then what's the point? So today I will show you how to create lifelike emotions in your voice with the help of AI. I will also upload various tutorials on Autodraft AI tools, so sit back, relax and watch this video till the end. Now, first let us understand the benefit of generating good quality animations with AI. Our goal here is not to just create good stories, but also to earn from them. And the best place to do so is YouTube. So if you create good quality animation, it will translate into more watch time, that means more subscriber, and that means more success and more money on YouTube. So first, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss an update. Now, just search Autodraft AI on your browser just like this and click on the very first link and sign up. Once signed up, create a project just like this and come to the animation section just as shown on your screen. To bring emotion into your animated dialogues using AI, here's the trick. You use your own voice as the reference. Record your own dialogue in your natural voice. It can be angry, sad, excited, however your character is supposed to sound. Now, upload it to the speech-to-speech section inside the Autodraft AI tool as shown on your screen. Choose your desired voice. It can be male, female, any accent and click generate. Now, the AI will match your expressions and tone, creating a studio quality voiceover, even in voices different from yours. Now let us check the before and after.
Hey Nidhi, what's up? It's been so long.
Hey Mimi, what's up? It's been so long.
Looks so good, right? Now this helps in A, preserving emotions from your original performance. Second, generating voiceovers in any language. More on that in a minute. And finally, third, creating opposite gender voices for solo creators, making multi-character scenes. Say you're targeting a Spanish speaking or a Japanese speaking audience, but you don't speak the language fluently. So here's how to fix that. You record the dialogue in your target language using your phone. Now upload that audio clip inside the same speech-to-speech tool, and finally select a native sounding AI voice in that language and hit generate as shown on your screen. You will have a perfect emotional voiceover in seconds, even for Spanish, Japanese, French, Arabic, German and many more languages.
Sound effect will make your scene 10x better.
Let us test this. Watch scene 1 without sound effects. Now watch scene 2 with sound effects. Did you notice some difference? Here's how you can generate high quality sound effects for your animation scenes. Inside Autodraft AI, go to the sound effects section. Now simply type what you need. It can be train passing, thunderstorm, door knocking, dog barking, etc. And then simply set the duration and click generate. Now drag and drop these sound effects into your animation timeline. Example, we will generate today train passing, door knocking, thunder and rain, waterfall and dog barking sound. Each one adds depth and realism to your storytelling. Now comes voice cloning, which is equals to your own voice everywhere. If you have a great voice, use it. But do you want to keep recording the same lines for let's say 50 times a month? Probably not. Well, with voice cloning, Autodraft AI lets you upload a small sample of your voice and then generate voiceovers from text in your own tone. accent, and style. Steps: go to voice cloning. Next, upload your voice sample. Now, simply name it and clone it. It is that simple. Now, your voice is available in the library and you can use it for text-to-speech generation instantly. Let me give you an example with 3 famous movie dialogues. First, you could have asked me for my life. I would have given it, but you took away my pride.
You could have asked for my life, I would have given it, but you took away my pride.
Do you even know the value of this ring? It is a symbol of everything I believe in.
Do you even know the value of this ring? It's a symbol of everything I believe in.
I'm not afraid of a slap, but love, that terrifies me.
I'm not afraid of a slap, but love, that terrifies me.
Sounds cinematic, right? Imagine these in your cartoons using your voice but never having to read it off. Bonus: ready to use characters plus copyright free BGM. As a special surprise, they have launched 2 epic features. First, ready-made animated characters, gods, heroes, mythics, mascots, etc. And second, 100% copyright-free BGM library with genres like mystical, thriller, romance, suspense, happiness, emotional, and many more. Use them directly from your phone in your next video project. No copyright strike, no editing headaches. This entire professional quality workflow, from emotional AI voices, multilingual dubbing, sound effects to voice cloning, is now possible on any of your devices using Autodraft AI. So if you want to create great quality animated content with zero animation or studio experience, this is your shortcut. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your creator friends or with your family, and do subscribe to Autodraft AI. I will see you in the next video. Until then, create like a pro anywhere for free. Thank you for watching.